Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. If you find our videos interesting and want to be part of our growing community, I'd really appreciate it if you could take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe. In this video, we will understand how to sketch the face of this girl. Grab your favorite sketching tools as we embark on this creative adventure together. Let's start by outlining the basic structure of the face, ensuring we capture the proportions accurately. Feel free to pause the video and take your time at each step to master the details. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to sketch. It's about finding your unique style and enjoying the artistic journey. As we refine the features, think about the story you want your sketch to tell. Every stroke contributes to the narrative. Feel the freedom to experiment with different shading techniques to find what suits your artistic vision. Take a moment to step back and admire your progress. Sometimes, a fresh perspective can lead to new insights. I encourage you to embrace imperfections. They often add a unique charm to your artwork. Feel free to share your sketches on social media and tag me. I'd love to see your interpretations of this tutorial. The beauty of art lies in its subjective nature. Your interpretation is what makes your sketch truly one of a kind. Remember, practice makes progress. Don't be discouraged by challenges, they are opportunities to learn and grow as an artist. Feel the freedom to adjust proportions slightly to create a stylized or fantasy-inspired look, letting your creativity soar. Don't hesitate to explore alternative materials, perhaps try sketching with charcoal or experimenting with colored pencils for a vibrant twist. For those aspiring to turn their passion into a profession, I'll share insights into building a portfolio and pursuing a career in art. Think about the narrative behind your subject's expression. Is it joy, contemplation, or a moment of introspection? Let your sketch tell a story. To achieve realistic proportions, use subtle guidelines and measurements, allowing you to maintain balance and symmetry in your sketches. Let your sketching sessions be a form of meditation, allowing you to immerse yourself in the moment and escape the stresses of everyday life. Take inspiration from other art forms, perhaps music, literature, or even nature, and infuse that essence into your facial sketches. Explore the impact of different paper textures on your sketch, enhancing the tactile experience of your finished artwork. As you sketch, pay attention to the play of light and shadow on the face, creating a captivating interplay of highlights and lowlights. Remember that mistakes are part of the artistic process. Embrace them as opportunities to learn and refine your skills. Consider hosting virtual sketching sessions with friends or fellow artists. A shared creative space can be both inspiring and enjoyable. Thank you for watching.